Want to run Google Ads for your business but not sure where to start? Most beginners lose money on Google Ads for one simple reason. They launch campaigns before they understand strategy, targeting, keywords, and conversion tracking. In this video, I'll show you the basic structure of Google Ad campaign and what to set up before you spend your first dollar. Here's the most important thing to understand first. Google Ads is not just about launching ads. It's about showing the right offer to the right person at the right moment and tracking what happens after the click. Because if your campaign is not structured correctly, you can spend money very quickly without getting real leads or sales. So let's break down the basics. First, create your Google Ads account and add your business name, website, and billing details. Before launching anything, make sure your website or landing page is ready. Your page should clearly explain what you offer, who is it for, why someone should choose you, what actions they should take next. That action could be calling your business, filling out a form, booking a consultation, or making a purchase. Next, choose your campaign goal. For most businesses, the main goals are leads, sales, website traffic, brand awareness. If you want phone calls, form submission, or bookings, choose a lead generation campaign. Now choose your targeting. You can target countries, cities, neighborhoods, or specific service areas. You can also exclude locations where you don't want your ads to appear. This is important because poor targeting is one of the fastest ways to waste your budget. After that, you need keyword research. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into Google when they are looking for a product or a service. To find keyword ideas, use the Google Keyword Planner. Tools, Planning, Keyword Planner. You can search for new keyword ideas, check search volume, and understand what people are actually searching for. Your Google Ads structure usually looks like this: campaign, ad groups, keywords, ads. Think of the campaign as the main container. Inside the campaign, you create ad groups based on specific services or topics. For example, a digital marketing agency could create ad groups like SEO services, Google Ads management, healthcare marketing, web design. Each ad group should focus on one clear service or offer. Then you add keywords. There are three main keyword match types: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Broad match gives Google more flexibility. Phrase match gives you more control. Exact match is actually the most specific. You should also add negative keywords. Negative keywords stop your ad from showing for searches that are irrelevant, low quality, or unlikely to convert. For example, if you are selling a professional service, you may want to exclude searches with words like free, jobs, course, or templates, depending on your business. Next, write your ad. A Google search ad includes headlines, descriptions, final URL, display path, ad assets. Your message should be simple and specific. Focus on what you offer, who you help, your main benefits, why someone should choose you, and what they should do next. For example, Google Ads management for local businesses, or get more qualified leads, or book a free strategy call. You should also use ad assets. Ad assets give your ad more information and more space on the search results page. Common assets include site links, callouts, call assists, structured snippets, leads from assets, promotions assets. For example, free consultation, certified specialist, book online, no long-term contract, fast response time. Before publishing your campaign, set up conversion tracking. This is one of the most important steps. Conversion tracking helps you measure real actions such as phone calls, form submissions, purchase, bookings, other important website actions. Without conversion tracking, you are mostly guessing. Once your campaign is live, don't judge it after one day. Monitor your data and look at metrics like CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, conversion rate, cost per lead, cost per acquisition, ROAS if you are tracking revenue. If the results are weak, do not just increase the budget. Check your targeting, keywords, negative keywords, ad copy, landing page, and conversion tracking. Google Ads work best when you keep testing and improving. The goal is not just to get more clicks. The goal is to turn the right clicks into real business results. Now you know the basic structure of a Google ad campaign. Choose your goal, target the right audience, research your keywords, create focused ad groups, add useful ad assets, set up conversion tracking, and keep optimizing over time. If this guide helped you, follow Copify Digital Marketing for more context about Google Ads, SEO, social media marketing, AI, and business growth. If you need help creating high-performing Google Ads campaigns, contact Copify Digital Marketing for a free consultation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.